Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Acorn TV subscription. Okay, so basically there are lots of methods to cancel your Acorn TV. So you can see you can cancel your Acorn TV directly, acorntv.com website, Apple Store, Play Store. There are lots of methods. It depends on where you have purchased your subscription. Okay, so basically in this video I'm going to tell you two easy methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So first method you can see over on your screen. This is for Android users. Okay, so first of all you need to open your Play Store and you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you will see your all the apps. You need to select Acorn TV app and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Now if we talk about how to cancel Acorn TV on iPhone. Okay, so in that case you have to open your iPhone settings and you need to tap on your Apple ID. You need to select subscription. Now you will see your active list of subscriptions. You need to select Acorn TV and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your Acorn TV subscription. Okay, so now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, and if you know like on which platform you want to cancel, you can make a comment. I will provide you another tutorial, or the complete list on each and every platform is available in the video description box. You can go over there and you can check out the videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.